message sa'yo ni teacher is, sana mag-enjoy ka sa next journey mo. Enjoy your journey pa and sana mag-excel ka sa new school mo. And don't forget to call us. We're gonna miss you so much. Kasi every time...
Vera, congratulations and good luck sa new journey mo sa bago mong school. I hope na mo yung teacher mo and ba't ako naiyak? Mag-enjoy ka. Yun lang naman ang gusto nila, teacher. Mag-enjoy ka. And
hi Vera, this is Teacher Aubrey. So I wanted you to be an angel to mommy and daddy always, okay? Always be good, study hard, and pray. Always pray to God, okay?
Hello, my best friends. Today is Vera's moving up. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello, classmates.
So pretty.
Hello, Vera.
Here, say chichay.
Anong masasabi mo? May napag-graduate ka na ng college?
Excited na akong makatravel.
Bakit?
Pagka-travelin na ako ng Vera.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, mark another milestone in our life and in the history of our school, Smart Creative Child Integrated School.
Lopez Zamara Zoe.
Parents, friends, and relatives.
Being committed to upholding the values of everyone.
Ginagawa mo dyan?
Paolo E. Amita.
Go girl. Love you. Anong posisyon mo dyan? Muse? Anong naiambag mo sa isa? Sa PRO siya? PRO? ikaw yung PRO na mahiyain. Hindi ka nagsabi. PRO. Picture niya. Parang lungkot ni Vera dun sa ano. Walang kasama. Doctor. Rock and roll.
Next, let's go. Lopez Zamara Zoe.
Sobrang mayain nung nanay, hindi sinamahan. Si Vera walang kasama. sobrang independent or mayain yung parents. Hindi sinamahan.
Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Best in Writing, Young Singer Award, Grade School Dancer Award, Busy Bee Award, Kinder Body Award, Golden Heart Award, Compliance Star Award, Sunshine Award, and Most Improved Child.
May pabigas ba yan, Vera? Good job. Ang likod. Ito na naman tayo. Vera, oh.
Don't forget to smile, okay? Okay?
We salute you for you have survived this school year. We hope that your academic journey will be full with commitment, passion, and hard work that will lead.
Thank you and congratulations.
See you next school year.
Guys, say hi.
Say hi daw. It's a mine.
Hey, Vera.
Hi.
Hi, Vera.
Hi, Vera.
Hi Vera! Congratulations! And ang message sa'yo ni teacher is sana mag-enjoy ka sa next journey mo. Sana mag-excel ka sa new school mo. And don't forget to call us. We're gonna miss you so much. Kasi every time wala ka sa school, we really feel we really feel na kulang yung classroom. So, ayun, Teacher Steph loves you so much and I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna visit you sa house castle mo sa Bulacan soon. Bye-bye!
Okay. Hi Vera! Congratulations and good luck sa new journey mo sa bago mong school. I hope na love mo yung teacher mo and ba't ako naiyak? Mag-enjoy ka. Yun lang naman ang gusto nila teacher, mag-enjoy ka and be a good kid sa lahat ng teachers mo and i-love mo sila. No angry! I love you! Mwah!
Hi Vera, this is Teacher Aubrey. So I wanted you to be an angel to mommy and daddy always, okay? Always be good, study hard, and pray. Always pray to God, okay? I will see you soon again. I love you, anak. Bye!
Vera, may sasabihin si Ate Dada.
Ano yan?
You watch. Ano sasabihin mo kay Vera? Graduation niya.
Congrats, Vera.
Anong wish mo sa graduation niya? Sana dumami ang baby mo.
What? Sana gumaling po si Vera sa mga susunod pa na.
Saan siya dapat gumaling na subject?
Math.
Ha?
Math.
Math. So, math. Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lola. Celebration ng graduation ni Vera. Vera! Vera!
DSNS personal to customer service.
Si Duday. Duday the artist.
Next again, DSNS personal to customer service.
Pick your own color. Hi, Vera. Say hi. Call Vera. Vera, are you watching? Say.
Lola, follow me. Daddy, tapos.
Only Lola will follow you? Spaing kita kaya? Message mo kay Vera. Nakagraduate na siya ng college. Ano masasabi mo?
Congrats, Vera. Pwede ka nang mag-boyfriend.
Cut. Oh, ano yan? Gabby's Dollhouse. Anak, PS5 po talaga para sa'yo. PS5 po. Maganda yun, anak. PS5 po.
Mas maganda po yung games siya.
Unicorn with gold. Dito, yung sasakay mo.
Anak, corn lang. Meron sa Pulilan.
Sasakay mo yung unicorn here.
Corn lang, corn.
Tapos magsuswing yung unicorn.
Ay, sorry. Ano na yung nabili niya? Slime?
Play-Doh. Na-glitter.
Wow! Yan ang... No. Okay.
Nine lang po yan.
Accomplish na tayo sa regalo kay Vera. And buti naman, nakalusot kami sa matinding gastos. Meron pa kasi siyang swimming lesson. At tipid-tipid tayo. Hanap na kami ng kakainan. Hello! Dinner time at celebration at ang monthly gala ng mga parents kasabay ng celebration ni Vera ng graduation. Nag-video ako. Uh-oh. Can I see the whale-yen? Wow, that's a beautiful whale and alien. Kanino yan? Kay Vera? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.